Hello my dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous mirror work paper quilled envelope for any wedding occasion. This is very heavy in the work and I have named it as Rajawadi envelope because it's not less than any royal one. And you can simply open it like this. Inside this I have put the money and I will share each and every step from scratch, how to make the envelope, how to decorate this from inside and how to decorate it using quilling strips and mirrors. So let's get started. Here I am taking 23 by 21 centimeter purple cardstock and from left side I have creased at 8 and 16 centimeters. So I have just folded the crease part like this. Now rotating the sheet and from left and right sides I have creased at 1 centimeters. So now we have to create some cuts to make the envelope. So I am cutting at 1 centimeters from bottom and from the top on both the sides, and the center part I am keeping as it is, just cutting a slight diagonal slit. Then folding the 1 centimeter part and constructing the envelope by attaching the parts together using glue. So the basic envelope is ready. Now here I am taking this beautiful designer paper which is 19 by 13 centimeters and I have just creased it at 6 centimeters. So after folding it should look like this, and here in the bottom I have created one semicircle shape. So I am just trimming the semicircle using my scissors. And then sticking this with the envelope. So the semicircle part will come on the folded flap like this, on which we are going to decorate with our quilling strips and mirrors. Like this. Then here I am taking one more designer paper which measures 19 by 15 centimeters and I have just creased at 8 centimeters. So we have to fold it like this and it will come in the bottom. So I am quickly sticking this part as well with the envelope. So after attaching all the parts, our envelope is nice and sturdy. It can hold now the weight of the mirrors and the strips easily. Now it's time to decorate the semicircle border first, and here I am taking my B7000 glue and attaching purple color ball chain and blue color ball chain. So the border decoration is done. Now it's time to make our first quilling design. So here I am taking this 10 mm circular mirror, just adding glue on the edge, and here I am taking one strip of turquoise blue color in 2 mm and wrapping it around the mirror. securing and using glue. Then around this I am going to add diamond chain. After that I am taking half strip of purple color and wrapping it around the diamond chain. And the first design is done. Similarly, we need total 9 patterns with the same method. So this is done. Now taking back my envelope, and I have roughly arranged all my quilt patterns in a semicircle shape. So one by one I am going to stick these shapes using glue. So this is completely done, looking very gorgeous. Now here I am showing you how to attach the dory. So just inside the envelope I am adding double-sided tacky tape, and here I have this golden dory from which I am passing one blue color tassel and just attaching it like this, exactly in the center. And to hide the work, here I am taking the designer paper strip and also the beautiful die cut out. So it's looking amazing, and the dory is locked nicely. Similarly, I am going to attach one more dory in the bottom with the same method and decorating with the die cut design. So here I have attached the dory on both the sides and it's completely ready. Now you can simply tie the knot to close the envelope. Now it's time to go ahead for next quilling patterns. For my next pattern here I am taking half strip of blue color and 1/4 strip of purple color in 2 mm and making one leaf shape. For my all quilling design today I am using 2 mm strips only, and all the supply links are given in description box with the coupon codes, so just don't forget to check that out. Now for the next shape here I am taking 1 strip of light blue and half strip of purple and creating one tight teardrop shape. Like this. Then here I am taking 1/4 strip of light purple color and making one teardrop shape. After that I am taking half strip of blue color, dividing in 4 parts, 4 equal parts, gather all together, fold it from center and start rolling it using tweezer to create the scroll. So the small and cute scroll is ready, and in this way I have created all the patterns in required quantity and also taking some small size mirrors in eye shape and triangular shape. Then taking back my envelope, and first of all I am adding my leaf pattern and teardrop pattern in the bottom of these circular designs. After that, I am adding the scrolls. Then between the scroll pattern, I am adding teardrop shapes. After that, I am attaching small size triangle mirrors in the bottom. Then I am adding here leaf shaped mirrors on top of teardrops. Then between the design I am adding some small diamond shaped mirrors. So it's all up to you what kind of decoration you want. It's not necessary to make the design just like me. You can change it according to your requirement. Now I'm decorating the bottom part using some blue color diamonds. And then at the end I am adding the sentiment in the center, congratulations, which is the metal die by Dress My Craft, and I have cut it on gold mirror cardstock. And this is completely ready, looking very gorgeous. Now I'm just putting some money inside the envelope, and in this way you can create heavy looking envelope for weddings, for anniversaries, and this is very unique design. So you can put Shagun inside this and create in multiple colors of your choice. Now I'm quickly going to tie the knot, and I'm just loving the combination so much, and I'm super happy with the results. So shiny, so blinky, and very gorgeous. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am eagerly waiting for your comments. So don't forget to drop little love for me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.